Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My respected Hazur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We most humbly request Hazur Anwar to give awards to those students who have achieved academic excellence in their particular fields of education. First, we will present before Hazur candidates from the United Kingdom, followed by our international students. Following are the students who have achieved excellence in General Certificate of Secondary Education. Salmana Irfan Bashir, West Croydon, 2 grade 9s, 5 grade 8s, 2 grade 7s, 1 A star. Isha Noreen Ahsan Scunthorpe, 6 grade 9s, 3 grade 8s, 1 grade 7. Salmana Nadeem Barking, 5 grade 9s, 5 grade 8s. Arusa Abid Sutton, 8 grade 9s, 1 grade 8, 1 grade 7, 2 A's. Sabiha Khan Islamabad, 3 grade 9s, 5 grade 8s, 1 A star. Faza Bajwa Wallington, 4 grade 9s, 2 grade 8s, 4 grade 7s, 1 A star, 1 A. Zoha Gasser, Hounslow South, 7 grade 9s, 3 grade 8s. Saida Noor Sahar Ahmed, Hartlepool, 4 grade 9s, 3 grade 8s, 2 grade 7s, 1 A. Naila Sabah Ahmed, Burton-on-Trent, 2 grade 9s, 5 grade 8s, 1 grade 7, 1 A star, 2 A's. Baria Ifat Khan, Thornton Heath, 6 grade 9s, 1 grade 8, 1 A star, 2 A's. Nazish Naeem Carshalton, 7 grade 9s, 3 grade 8s. Samama Rafi, Birmingham East, 3 grade 9s, 3 grade 8s, 2 grade 7s, 1 B Tech distinction star. Munahil Rana, Slough, 2 grade 9, 5 grade 8, 3 grade 7. Alia Qureshi, Cheam, 10 grade 9s, 1 A. Hana Ahmed, Hounslow South, 10 grade 9s, 1 A star. Laiba Mubashir, Battersea, 5 grade 9s, 2 grade 8s, 1 grade 7, 1 A star. Sabika Ahmed, Wandsworth Town, 1 grade 9, 4 grade 8, 1 A star, 4 grade 7s, 2 A's. Amna Ahmed Hayes, 4 grade 8s, 1 A star, 6 grade 7s. Neha Yasin, Battersea, 5 grade 9s, 2 grade 8, 2 A star, 1 A star with distinction, 2 grade 7s, 1 A. Hala Akbar, Glasgow, 7 A's in Scottish National 5 examination. Tahreem Iqbal, Redbridge South, 4 grade 9s, 3 grade 8s, 2 grade 7s. Hibatul Musawwar Malik, Mosque South, 4 grade 9, 5 grade 8, 2 A star, 1 grade 7. Hibatun Noor Sharif, Bradford North, 2 grade 9, 6 grade 8, 2 grade 7, 1A. Samila Rakaya Ratho, Luton, 2 grade 9, 3 grade 8, 4 grade 7, 1A, 1 distinction. Maria Kiran Coker, Wimbledon Park, 1 grade 9, 6 grade 8, 1A star, 1 grade 7. Mevish Malik, West Hill, 3 grade 9, 7 grade 8. Firoza Nawaz, Clapham, 2 grade 8, 5A star, 1 grade 7, 2A. Umber Amir, Hounslow South, 5 grade 9, 3 grade 8, 1 grade 7. Yusra Dahiri, Islamabad, 1 grade 9, 1 grade 8, 4A star, 1 grade 7, 2 A's, and 1 distinction. Ayla Noor Salam, Putney Heath, 7 grade 9, 1 grade 8, 2A star, 1A. Nigam Saqib Jahangiri, Cheam, 8 grade 9s, 1 grade 8, 1A. Muniza Zafar, Swansea, 5A star, 5 A's, 1 distinction, and 1 BTEC distinction star. Following are the students who have achieved excellence in A levels. Muniza Zafar, Swansea, 1A star and 2 A's. Amtul Noor, Burntwood, 1A star, 2 A's. Zohra Irfan, Liverpool, 3 A's at A level and 1A at AS level. Madiha Ahmed, Birmingham North, 1A star, 2 A's at A level and 1A at AS level. Natasha Parvez Bhatti, Gillingham, 1A star and 2 A's. Aliza Maham Bhatt, Carshalton, 3 A's and 1A in extended project. Taiba Nasir, Clapham, 1A star and 2 A's. Saida Tuba Shah, Glasgow, 3 A's and 2 B's in 2-year higher Scottish higher qualification. Wadia Mirza from Hayes, 3A star and 1A in extended project. Maham Nasir, Manchester South, 1A star and 2 A's. Rana Basharat Ahmed Tooting, 3 A stars. Sufia Eman Ahmed, Glasgow, 5 A's in Scottish higher exams. Lena Adams, Earlsfield, 1A star and 2 A's. Alishba Kashif, Reading, 1A star and 2 A's. Rizwana Ahmed, Wimbledon, 1A star and 2 A's. Sana Rahman, Bromley and Lewisham, 1A star and 2 A's. Salbiya Shameen, Manchester West, Bachelor of Science with First Class Honours in Petroleum and Mechanical Engineering. Kuratulan Butt Newham, Bachelor of Arts with First Class Honours in Education, University College London. Saida Nudrat Mubashra Ahmed, Hartlepool, Bachelor of Science with First Class Honours in Psychology and Language Sciences, University College London. Her mother, Amtu Shakur Taiba Ahmed, will receive the award on her behalf. Seher Ahmed Luton, Bachelor of Arts with First Class Honours in English Language and Linguistics, University of Bedfordshire. Almas Mumtaz, Wimbledon Park, Bachelor of Science with First Class Honours in Mathematics and Statistics, Queen Mary University of London. Kanwal Qureshi, Gillingham, Bachelor of Arts with First Class Honours in German and English, King's College London. Naila Tasneem, Mosque West, Bachelor of Arts with First Class Honours in Comparative Literature, King's College London. Mariam Nahid Chaudhry, Scunthorpe, Bachelor of Science with First Class Honours in Philosophy and Law, Imperial College London. Numana Zafrullah Tooting, Bachelor of Arts with First Class Honours in Media, Culture, Identity and Film, Roehampton University, London, top in cohort. Noor Ode Aldershot, Master of Science with Distinction in Clinical Neuroscience, University College London. Noor Saher Sajjad, Glasgow, Master of Design with Distinction in Fashion and Textile, University of Glasgow. Professor Abdul Razak Carmichael, Birmingham West, Master in Higher Education with Distinction, Aston University. Hajra Iftikhar, Manchester East, Master of Research with Distinction in Oncology, the University of Manchester. Ghazala Nasir, Morden Park, Master of Science with Distinction in Mathematical Finance, Queen Mary University of London. Sophia Sabahat Khan from Keighley, Master of Arts with Distinction in Linguistics and English Language Teaching, the University of Leeds. Sehrish Ahmed Tahir, Sheffield, Master of Arts with Distinction in Education, Sheffield Harlem University, top 5% in cohort. Olivia Williams Barber, New Malden, Master of Science with Distinction, Environmental Engineering, Imperial College London. Dr. Amtul Nasira Qamar Amini, Manchester West, Fellowship of the Royal College of Surgeons. Dr. Amtul Shafi Sami, Scunthorpe, Fellowship of European Board of Surgery. Following are the international students who have achieved excellence. Manahil Sheikh, Switzerland, International Baccalaureate Diploma. Her sister Maria Sheikh will receive the award on her behalf. Eman Sana from New Zealand, NCEA Level 3 achieved with excellence. Her Khala Mubashra Khan will receive the award on her behalf. Dr. Maliha Mahmood Butt from Ghana, MBBS with distinction, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Ghana. Rayan Munir from the Middle East, 85% marks achieved in Senior School Certification Examination. Rubina Mashood Sahiba will receive the award on her behalf. Maria Hadia Sudun from Mauritius, 6A star and 2A at A level. Olibox Aisha Sultana Begum, Mauritius, 3 A stars at A level and 2A at A level. Aisha Noreen Khudroon will receive the award on her behalf. Sarah Mariam Madhu from Mauritius, BSc Honours with First Class in Economics and Finance, University of Mauritius, top 5% student. Azra Bibi Muslun, Mauritius, MBA with distinction in Financial Services, University of Mauritius, top 5% student. Azmi Muslun, Mauritius, MSc with distinction in Applied Statistics, University of Mauritius, top 5% student. Dr. Nujat Ahmed Ridita from Bangladesh, Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, MBBS, Dhaka Medical College. Her sister-in-law, Kishwar Haseen Disha, will receive the award on her behalf. Hania Habib Virk, USA, nationally achieved 97th percentile in SAT at high school. Shireen Yunus at USA, outstanding achievement at high school. Dr. Nosheen Dalpur Ahmed, Australia, Fellowship of the Royal Australian College of General Practitioners. Maheen Ashfaq, Australia, Australian Tertiary Admission rank of 94.40. Qudsia Ifat Bassett, Netherlands, MSc in Mathematics with 4.5 overall classification, Utrecht University. Atka Naeem, Middle East, MSc in Mathematics. Ginza Zaman, Italy, Higher Secondary School Certificate with 80% marks. Malaika Sana Chowdhury, Norway, 11A star and 5 A's in GCSE. Alisha Sana Chowdhury, Norway, 10 A stars and 4 A's in GCSE. Kiran Khalil, Norway, 1 A star and 4 A's in A level. Michelle Coker, Norway, 2 A star and 4 A's in A level. Raghiba Khalid, Congo, first position in baccalaureate exams. Shmaila Riaz, Tanzania, MA, Journalism and Media Management, University of Iringa. Rashda Tahir will receive the award on her behalf. Sumaira Tariq, Italy, Master in Politics and Economics of the Middle East, Philipps University. Shafia Mahfouz Shahid, Sweden, Grundolska, 90% marks. Mehvish Aftab, Canada, grade 12, 98% marks. Bushra Anjum, Canada, grade 12, 96% marks. Noor Anwar, Canada, grade 12, 95% marks. Her mother, Bushra Nazir Sahiba, will receive the award on her behalf. Shumaim Baruj, Canada, grade 12, 92% marks. Nigarish Nasir Ahmed, Canada, grade 12, 91% marks. Hafiza Faria Shahzadi, Canada, grade 12, 90% marks. Roshan Khalid Bajwa, Canada, grade 12, 90% marks. Hola Mia from Canada will receive 2 awards. Bachelor of Arts, Early Childhood Learning, 89% marks, and Bachelor of Education, 84% marks. Shmaila Anjum, Canada, Bachelors of Arts with Honours, 88% marks. Naima Ahmed, Canada, Bachelor of Applied Science Chemical Engineering, Co-op, 86% marks. Labida Malahat Rashid will receive 2 awards from Canada. Bachelor of Education, 86% marks. Bachelor of Arts with Honours, 85% marks. Maria Nazir, Canada, Bachelor of Science, 85% marks. Farhana Mia, Canada, Bachelor of Science with Honours, 85% marks. Najia Hassan, Canada, Bachelor of Health Studies, 85% marks. Nadia Kausar Ahmed will receive 2 awards from Canada. Bachelor of Education, 85% marks. Bachelor of Arts, Early Childhood Studies, 82% marks. Nadia Dure Samin from Canada, Bachelor of Science with Honours, 85% marks. Rubab Shokat Faruqi, Canada, Bachelor of Science with Honours, 84% marks. Aisha Chatta from Canada, Bachelor of Business Administration, Accounting with Honours, 82% marks. Sadaf Ahmed, Canada, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, 85% marks. Zujajatul Noor Hamid, Canada, Master of Science in Nutritional Sciences, 87% marks. Her aunt Fozia Wakas will receive the award on her behalf. Rabia Kamar, Canada, Master of Applied Science in Computer Engineering, 76% marks. Saira Sami Khan from Pakistan, first position in D Pharmacy, Hajveri University, Pakistan. Rafia Ahmed Virk, Pakistan, 5 A stars and 3 A's at O level. Atiya Hasib Sheikh, Pakistan, distinction 3rd position in biotechnology from FC College University. Dure Ajam, Pakistan, MA in TESOL, 1st position, Lahore College, Wome University. Aniza Ahmed, Ghana, IGCSE, 4A star, 4 A's and 1 B. Hazur, this concludes our award distribution.